Hello friends, welcome back to Treyankush learning channel. In this video, we will see poem on nature, the wonder nature. So let's start. Nature, nature, so lush and green, the wonder of wonder anyone has seen. So cool, calm, and full of life, makes us forget all our strife. Think of a forest full of trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Cut them down and construct towers. Wait for ages to get a shower. The birds that soar high in the sky, can we imitate them however hard we try? Learn to wonder and gape at things and see the happiness it brings. We have got such wonderful things. Do what you can and save a wings so that our children in future can see the things we have nurtured. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.